The Olympic Games are a powerful symbol of human strength and unity. They began over 2,700 years ago in ancient Greece in a place called Olympia. This was where a new tradition started, one that would change the world. It all began in 776 BC with the first recorded Olympics. But long before this, myths said that Hercules, a famous hero, started the games to honor his father, Zeus, the king of the gods. This made the Olympics a sacred event, celebrating qualities like strength and honor. At first, the games were quite simple. The only event was a foot race called the Stadium. But as time went on, the Olympics grew and included more events like wrestling, chariot races, and the pentathlon, which had 5 different challenges. Athletes from all over Greece came to compete, showing their skill and hard work. The Olympics were more than just sports. They were a time of peace. During the Games, all conflicts and wars were paused, allowing people to focus on the competitions and celebrate together. This period of truce showed the power of sport to bring people together, even when they were usually divided. The ancient Olympics eventually faded away, but their spirit lived on. In 1896, Pierre de Coubertin revived the Games with a vision of a global celebration of sport. Every 4 years, we watch as athletes do amazing things. They break records, set new standards, and inspire us all. Stories of Olympic champions are full of incredible moments. Think of Jesse Owens overcoming racism in 1936 Berlin, or Nadia Comaneci scoring perfect 10s in 1976 Montreal. These stories remind us that greatness has no limits. The Olympic motto, faster, higher, stronger, captures the spirit of the Games. It encourages everyone to go beyond their limits, push harder, and believe in the impossible. The 5 Olympic rings represent the unity of the continents and the coming together of athletes from around the world. When the Olympic flame is lit, it reminds us of our shared humanity. The Olympics symbolize hope and show that despite our differences, we can achieve greatness. They teach us that with dedication, hard work, and a strong spirit, we can do extraordinary things. Watching the Olympics today, we see more than just sports. We see the triumph of human spirit, the dedication to being the best, and the unity that sports can create. The Games remind us of the strength we all have inside and the way we can come together through our common passions.